In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Asana Project ID. Whether you're managing multiple projects or need to streamline your workflow, knowing how to find your project ID in Asana is a handy skill to have. So, let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. Once you successfully log in, you'll be greeted by your Asana homepage. This is the central hub where you can manage your tasks and projects. Everything you need to organize your work and collaborate with your team is right here at your fingertips. Now here's the key part. Your Asana Project ID is actually part of the URL when you're viewing your project's overview page. It might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, it's actually quite easy to find. The project ID is a little piece of information embedded right in the web address. To retrieve this piece of information, you'll want to navigate to the specific project for which you need the ID. Start by clicking on the project name from the list of projects visible on your homepage. Once clicked, the overview page for your chosen project should load, and you'll notice that the URL in your browser has updated. This URL is significant because it contains a long string of numbers that are crucial to this task. Look closely at the URL in your browser. It will look something like apasana.com, followed by several slashes and, importantly, a string of numbers. This number string is your specific project ID. This project ID can be quite useful, especially if you're integrating Asana with other tools or APIs. It's also handy when you're sharing project links with team members for easy collaboration. Moreover, understanding your project ID can be pivotal when syncing tasks and ensuring seamless operations across various platforms. By pinpointing the project ID, you're essentially giving yourself another layer of control and precision in your project management toolkit. So, in just a few easy steps, you've learned how to track down your Asana project ID. It's a quick process, but empowers you to manage your projects with more precision and efficiency. It's the little details like this that can significantly enhance your workflow and help you keep everything running smoothly. We hope this helps streamline your project management tasks, allowing you to focus more on what's important, getting things done. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and feel free to click on any of the suggested follow-up videos to continue enhancing your productivity skills. Enjoy working with Asana and maximizing its potential to better manage your projects.